Let's read English Book 1. Okay, now turn to page 30. Okay, today we will learn about lesson 7, which is the N sound. Follow me. N, N, N. Ten, ten, ten. I have 10 pens on the table. Those 10 pens on the table are mine. Are those 10 pens on the table yours? Yes, those 10 pens on the table are mine. Repeat. I have 10 pens on the table. Those 10 pens on the table are mine. Are those 10 pens on the table yours? Yes, those 10 pens on the table are mine. Okay, now we will read aloud the second example. Let's go. Hen, hen, hen. What is this? Hen. Okay. Those 10 hens are near the pen. Are those 10 hens near the pen yours? No, those 10 hens near the pen are not mine. Those 10 hens near the pen belongs to my dad. Repeat. Those 10 hens are near the pen. Are those 10 hens near the pen yours? No, those 10 hens near the pen are not mine. Those 10 hens near the pen belongs to my dad. That's all for today. Bye. Assalamualaikum.